Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to import journals in Xero. Importing journals is ideal when you've prepared adjustments in a spreadsheet and want them loaded accurately and fast. I'll take you from the Xero dashboard right through selecting your file and starting the import, plus a few tips to avoid common errors. Start on the Xero homepage for your organization. From the main navigation bar at the top, open the accounting menu and choose Manual Journals. This is where all your journal entries live, and it's also where the import tool sits. On the Manual Journals screen, select Import. Before you bring anything in, download the template file provided on this page. That template is a CSV designed to match Xero's rules, so using it dramatically cuts down on formatting issues. Open the template in your spreadsheet tool and enter your journal lines. Include the journal date and a clear description so it's easy to identify later. Use the account codes from your chart of accounts and make sure the spelling and codes match exactly. Add debit and credit amounts on separate lines as needed, and confirm the totals balance to zero. If your organization uses tax rates or tracking categories, enter them exactly as they appear in Xero. Avoid currency symbols and extra spaces, and stick to a consistent date format. When you're done, save the file as a CSV. Head back to Xero, click Browse, and locate the edited template file on your computer. Select it, click Open, and you'll see the file name appear beside the uploader. Now choose Import to begin the upload. Xero will read the file and validate the data. If anything doesn't line up, like an unmapped account code, a typo in a tracking option, or an unbalanced journal, you'll see an error message telling you what to fix. Simply update your CSV, save it again, and repeat the Browse, Open, and Import steps. When everything checks out, your journals are ready in Xero without manual retyping. A couple of quick tips before you finish. Make sure you have the right user permissions to access manual journals, keep an untouched copy of the template for next time, and consider starting with a small sample journal to verify your formatting. If your chart of accounts recently changed, refresh your codes in the spreadsheet to prevent mismatches. That's all there is to it. Go to Manual Journals, download the template, complete it carefully, browse to your edited file, open it, and import. With a clean template and accurate account codes, this process is quick, reliable, and repeatable for month-end or year-end adjustments.